welcome back. And Ilona and Tim, welcome to the Localist SD.
Good morning.
We're going to talk about some areas of law today, but we'll start with divorce because you're here obviously from Antonian Miranda and your billboards are kind of famous around town. So tell me a little bit about the theory behind these punchy billboards that we all see.
I have to give credit to my business partner. He's a mastermind behind all the billboards, and I often get people asking me, who is your marketing company? And I'm proud to say it's him.
All right, so what are you going for here?
Well, we're in a very serious business. Divorce is very emotional. People are going through oftentimes the worst time of their life when they contact us. So we like to start with some levity. We like to make it a little bit easier and a little bit lighter. Certainly if we can get recognition, if we can rise above the noise, people like our stuff and they comment on it. That's really what we're going for, stand out from the crowd.
I think that's so thoughtful because, as you said, divorce is emotional, it's stressful, yet you need to be strategic about it. So kind of removing that anxiety off the top with a little bit of comedy, so to speak. I imagine your clients are very comfortable. Tell me a little bit about your philosophy when it comes to serving your clients.
Well, be methodical, strategic, negotiate from a position of strength, and be always prepared.
So tell me a little bit about your team, because obviously the two of you are here today representing the entire firm, but you have a really talented team.
We do. We're about 40 attorneys deep. We speak multiple languages. Ilona speaks Spanish and Russian. I speak Spanish. We have others that speak other languages. We have people that particularize in certain areas, appellate specialists. We have a forensic accountant on staff because we deal with a lot of complicated financial issues. And we really couldn't do what we do, the billboards, the face of the firm as you have today, without our team, without the support. They're excellent.
And you both have very impressive backgrounds. When I was researching both of you, I was so impressed. And you've decided recently to expand, really building on your history as a personal injury attorney. What other areas of law are you both covering now?
We now do personal injury, any sort of major or small car accidents. We help clients with that, as well as workplace rights. Workplace harassment, sexual harassment. We brought on several people to start up those departments within our firm.
I imagine your career is both stressful and rewarding at the same time. At the end of a case, if you see your client get what they deserve or what they wanted, how does that feel?
It's a great feeling. I feel like the only people that win in family court are really the attorneys. Anytime that you're dividing assets and children and other things that are so personal, you can empathize with that. It feels good to have a win, but it's best to do a great job for somebody, and to the extent that they're happy with getting a divorce, that's what the aspiration is.
Well, we are almost out of time. I feel like you could both educate us all day long. So before we do run out of time, what's the next step if somebody thinks they could retain your services or wants a consultation?
Well, we now have an office both here in San Diego, in Orange County, and we opened up in Temecula. So they can just go to our website, antonianmiranda.com, and give us a call at 619-696-1100.
All right, Tim and Ilona, thank both of you. Just go ahead and hang out with me as we wrap up the show together. Thank you so much for your time
Thank you.
and your advice, and thank all of you for joining us.